Hello everyone, good evening sir. I am J. Sharma, class 7 Super 30, and today I am here for do my art integrated activity of maths. So let's start. First of all, we tell you what is data handling. Data handling is the process of ensuring that research data is stored, achieved or disposed of in a safe and secure manner during and after the conclusion of a research project. Proper planning for data handling can also result in efficient and economical storage, retrieval and disposal of. Now I will telling you types of data handling. Tables, frequency table, pictograms, block graphs, Carroll diagram, tree diagram, keys, branching data, base, Venn diagram, bar chart, line graph, mapping diagrams, and scatter graph. First of all, we tell you what is bar graph. A bar graph. A bar graph or bar graph is a chart with rectangular bars with length proportion to the values that they represent. The bar can be plotted vertically or horizontally. A vertical bar chart is sometimes called a column bar chart. What is it? A bar graph is a chart that uses either horizontal or vertical bars to show comparisons among categories. One axis of the chart shows the specific categories being compared and the other axis represent a discrete values. Some bar graph present bars clustered in groups of more than one group bar graph, and others show the bars divided into subpart to show cumulative effects. Take bar graph. Bar graph example. The given bar graph represents demand and production for 5 companies A, B, C, D and E. Based on the graph, answer the following question. Sir, this is a bar graph in front of you. Have many types A to E. Now I will telling you median. Middle. You will see middle. Median is middle. The number which is in the middle or the middle value. 11 7 11 1 8 9 7 6 2 3 7 6 7 7 7 9 11 11 18 23. Median is 9. Now mode. Mode is most. The number that appears the most. 11 7 11 18 9 7 6 23 7 6 7 7 7 9 11 11 18 23. Mode is 7. Now mean. Average. The total of the number divided by how many numbers there are. 11 7 11 18 9 7 6 23 7. 11 plus 7 plus 11 plus 18 plus 9 plus 7 plus 6 plus 23 plus 7 is equal